Want it to be nice and still, nice and brave. I'll get this out for you, okay? So you have to stay nice and still. Look how brave you are.
Okay, you're doing really well, Bubba. You're doing
Almost
really
out.
good. It's coming out soon, okay? Once it's all out, and you're really good, and then we're going to go see Aladdin, aren't we? Yeah, then you can hear Aladdin properly.
So I brought it right to the front. I'm just going to use the big sucker for this last bit. It'll come all out. Just take it off the eardrum. Going to look down there for me again. I just want you to. That's it.
That's it. Just tilt your head backwards. We're just going to take
So
the rest of it
It's going to be a
out.
bit louder, but we're just on the outside part, okay?
It's all out from the inside.
This is the piece. It's going to come out the entrance. There we are, nearly there. Just going to keep your head still. You do so well.
You're doing really good, my love.
Look at that.
Wow, that is huge.
Let's just have another look inside your ear to make sure we've got all of it out for you. So
That's massive.
it's just the camera. I'm not going to put the little vacuum in anymore. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. I'll show you that in a minute.
Do you think we'll be able to?
Well, skin can be a bit more tricky actually. Let's have a look. Nice and
This one's
still.
just a little bit further out, my love, okay? Since we got here, I was like, where is the clinic? I was like, went into the thing.
Hold that for me.
Oh, yeah,
So,
sorry.
just looking that way.
That's it.
Just more to the left. Just
Just a little bit more.
look in that direction. for
Looking
me.
that way.
That's
That's it. Perfect, Bubble. Let me move your hair out of the way, my love.
Just on the outside, okay? Nothing to worry about. Just trying to keep nice and still.
Nice and still, my little.
You've got a bit of a twitch there, have you?
Got a bit itchy. It's not done yet, Bubble.
And use a bit of a twitch. Because it's really adhered. It might be tricky. So, let's use a little scoop. We'll scoop it out. It'll be better for you, okay? So just look in that direction for me again. You just have to be nice and still, okay? Let's see if I can put this out.
Can you just keep your hand down, my love?
Oh, so brave. Almost got it out there. Good
Girl. He's just scooping it, you know, like with a little spoon. It's like a plastic spoon. And it just helps to clean it all out.
But just on the outside part, it's not even really in your ear. Because it's stuck, I'll just put a bit of pressure and it's coming out.
Doing really good, my love. Do you think Princess Jasmine's going to look really nice? Yeah? Do you know what she's going to wear? Can you try and think about that?
What would you
Try
just
not to
keep your
move.
head still for me.
It's coming out. Because
It's
it's a
really
bit
stuck.
stuck. We just have to try and...
No, we're on the outside, don't worry. I've just got to stretch it off almost. There we are.
It's coming, it's coming,
Yeah.
it's coming. It's coming.
Oh, it's just in your ear?
Kish, kish,
I'll get it out you. It's just here.
Just wait. Just like...
Where is it going?
There it is.
Let's just have a look inside your ear again to make sure that it's out.
Can Uncle have a look inside your ear again, Bubble?
Let's have a look. Could have a look in that direction for me? That's it. Let's have a proper look. Brilliant. And it's just a little bit of dry skin, just near the entrance. I'm just going to get that out for you. She might have a bit of eczema here. So I'll show you in a minute. Just going to be out. It might tickle you this bit, okay?
That's odd. That's odd.
Oops,
Just wait, Bubba. Just wait. Try not to move your head like that.
And let's have a look again.
Uncle, have a look. Just keep your head still. Try not to move it, Bubba. Oh, nice and clear now.
Lovely and clear. It's just this dry skin near the entrance. Just that way.